Hello students, welcome to this video on marketing management. I am Tirtha Prasad K, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Grade College, Channapatna. Under this module number 2 on marketing mix and legal aspects of marketing, we are going to study branding, packing, packaging and labeling. So we shall set the objectives. We understand the concept of packing and packaging. We understand concepts of branding, and also we study applicability of these concepts. So let us start the lesson. So now we start with branding. We have heard brand name, logo, identity, colors or color combination, strategy, marketing, right? I give you an example. Patanjali is a brand. Pepsodent is a brand. Colgate is a brand. Tata Sky is a brand. Okay. So it's a name. Brand is a name given to a product to identify it and distinguish it from the competitors, right? It's a name given to a product to identify it and distinguish it from the products of competitors. There is only one Tata Sky, not two Tata Skies, right? There is only one Patanjali product in India, right? So it's unique. It's a unique brand name given to a product. And when a brand name is registered and legalized, it becomes a trademark. Trademark is a registered brand, legalized brand. Only that company or that person can use that trademark. Nobody can use it without permission. That's why all trademarks are brands, but all brands are not trademarks, right? A registered brand is a trademark. So all trademarks are brands, but all brands are not necessarily registered. So this brand name, brand mark, trademark, copyright, these are collectively known as language of branding. Okay. So brand here refers to the brand name, the company logo, the color combination, color design, special packaging, trademark. Okay. So all these things collectively known as branding. So there are different types of brands like individual brand. HUL company, Hindustan Unilever Limited, manufactures different kinds of detergents like Surf Excel, Henko, Nirma, etc., Ariel. Okay, so these are individual brand names. So for that particular detergent, a name is given and it is unique. Nobody else in the market uses that brand name. Family brand name like Amul milk products. In the package of every Amul product, that Amul logo will be there. Amul. Okay. So Amul chocos, Amul chocolates, Amul badam milk. Okay. Amul cow's milk. Okay. Amul ghee. Then umbrella brand name. Under one brand name, a family of products are promoted, like Tata's Tetley. Tetley is tea powder. So Tata's Tetley. And Cadbury's Dairy Milk. Cadbury's. Okay. So under the brand name Cadbury's, a number of products come. Then dealers or middlemen's brands. So this wholesalers and retailers make their own brands. You can see it in products like wheat flour, bakery food, condiments, etc. Okay. National and international brands like Mysore Sandal. Mysore Sandal is a national brand. Apple Computers. Apple is a international brand. Co-branding. If the manufacturer and the wholesaler both combine and form a brand, then it is called co-brand because there are two people. Okay, so these two people form a brand and then it is called co-branding. Regional and store brands. For example, groceries under More. More is a retail outlet. So under the brand More, some groceries are offered. Okay, wheat flour, rice flour, and some other grocery items are offered under the brand More. You can see Spencer's also. Spencer's, D-Mart. Okay. There is a concept called brand loyalty. A customer is loyal to a particular brand. Means that he purchases products under that brand name only. He doesn't switch to another brand. He is using Colgate toothpaste. He purchases Colgate only. He is loyal to Colgate brand. Like that. We purchase Nandini cow's milk. We are loyal to that brand. We don't purchase any other brand. So we are loyal to that brand, Nandini brand. In building brand loyalty, there are three stages. First one is brand recognition. This means that people become familiar with the product and they are likely to buy it. A new brand has arrived in the market, a new product. People want to try it. They want to see whether it works out for them or not in terms of quality, performance, etc. So they become familiar with the product, but they want to try it. If they like it, then they develop brand preference. Okay, they like the product, they adopt the product. So habitually, they buy it when it is available. Okay, so this is not a strong form of brand loyalty, it is just a preference. Okay, suppose uh, talcum powder for body. A customer is buying talcum powder from say Ponds. Okay, Ponds talcum powder for men. He habitually buys it. He is not loyal to the brand, but he wants to give a try. He liked the product. So when it is available, he will buy it. If it is not available, he will switch to another brand. Okay. So this is just preference, not loyalty. Then the third stage, brand insistence. In this stage, people will not accept any other substitute. They want that brand only. Otherwise, they won't buy it. Okay. You want groceries from more only. You don't want to buy from any other shop. Then it is brand insistence. So later it will convert to sorry, brand loyalty. Okay. So these are the three stages in building brand loyalty. We have come to packaging and labeling. There's difference between packing and packaging. Packing means putting article into small pockets, boxes, or bottles for sale to ultimate consumers or for transport. Okay, so putting products into boxes, bottles, or containers, etc., for transport or for sale to final consumers. That is called packing. So here you use cardboard boxes, bottles, other containers, plastic containers. Okay, so that is called packing. And then comes labeling. Labeling is a slip or tag attached with the product or with its package, which provides necessary information about the product and its producer. So producer details and the product details are printed on the label. That is also called wrapper. Okay, wrapper. So normally you find the company's logo, the brand name, tagline, and graphics. In some products, how to use, and then expiry date in some products, and batch number, manufacturing date, manufacturer details, marketer details, ingredients. Okay, so these are the important information we find on the label. The image you see on the right side, fruity, is packaging. Okay, the image you see on the left side is packing. There are some articles packed into a box. They have pasted a sticker on it. So it is packing. So it is especially for transport. Okay. But this fruity is for consumption. So this is labeling. So we see the uh, brand name fruity, and we see cool mango, which is the tagline, and we can see the barcode and ingredients, best before, so many days from packing, like that. Okay, so this is label. So packing and labeling in combination is called packaging. Packing and labeling in combination is called packaging. Okay, so this fruity juice is packed and packaged both. Okay, so usually these type of juices come in tetra packs. Okay, so they are tetra packs, neatly packaged to protect the contents, and then on the outside all the important information about the product is given, which is called label or wrapper. So here there is pack, tetra pack, and also label. So both in combination is called packaging. So there are different purposes or objectives of packaging and labeling. First one is physical protection. We pack items to conveniently handle it, and also to protect the contents. There may be fluids, there may be some uh, contents which are gum-like. Okay, so to protect those contents, we pack the items for physical protection, and also for ease of use and convenience to easily handle it. Okay, and give information about the product and its manufacturer, how to use ingredients, how many calories, expiry date. Okay, so they give such information, and also manufacturer details. In case of any grievances, the customer will contact the manufacturer. Provide user guide how to use in some products like electronic products, how to connect it, how to assemble it and use, to facilitate transport and handling. So for transport, we have to pack it into containers or boxes or bottles, whatever convenient, and also to ensure safe use for safety, especially when inflammable materials are used in the product. To ensure safety, packing is done. Serve as advertisement by attracting attention. Those colorful graphics, those color combination, okay, it will serve as advertisement by itself. It will attract attention. Okay, extend shelf life. Neatly packed and packaged item will have a longer shelf life. Okay, so when products are left unsold on the shelves of retailers, so it should be neatly packed and packaged. Otherwise, it will have lesser shelf life. The product will become spoiled. So packaging and labeling are very important for a product. Okay, thank you students. Thank you for watching this video. Prepare well for the exams. Study well. All the best. Thank you.